Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video, but I have proof that eBay is throttling my sales. Someone at eBay typed in their little computer to limit Popeyes Postcards sales to less than $160. Look at this. This was yesterday's video. So these are the sales from the 14th, and they're $159.56. You can see February 14th sales. So yesterday's sales on the 15th, $159.59. 3 penny difference. Conspiracy, because they are identical. And so proof positive that eBay has throttled my sales, that I can't sell more than $160 a day. So yeah, now just a coincidence, folks. Sky's not falling, eBay's not dead. It's just one of those days. eBay's really throttling my sales. So let's get started here. We had 16 orders for $159. First, Mexican border war, 1915 refugees leaving Mexico. Litho print. There's the back, and $12 on a best offer. Next we have, this is Mobile Oil Postal Card Chickens Terrace Point Service Station, Zanesville, Ohio. Got a whole bunch of these, probably 50. These are advertising postal cards probably from the 30s for this service station in Zanesville, Ohio. And there's the other side of the postal card. Advertising postal cards are usually very sought after. This one, not so much. $4.99 I've sold. I think this is the first one of these I've sold. But I have pennies into this. I think I did sell one of these at the my postcard club meeting for $1. Next, Delaware Water Gap. This is in Pennsylvania. This is the trolley line. There's the trolley. 1920s. $6.99 for that card. This is Pine River, Minnesota. Dual view, Pine River, and air view of town. Old card, probably 7 or 8 years on eBay, and sold for $6.99. This is Phoenix, Arizona Insurance and Real Estate School. Looks like an old motel type place. $6.99. I'll look at the back here. There's the back. 1950s, judging by the telephone number. This is Studio Prop Mono Airplane. This is French Man with Flowers, real photo. I did not bother interpreting that, or yeah, probably something about love, maybe, I don't know, or affection. $12 best offer. Gettysburg Civil War Battle, The Last Reunion, 1938, 75th anniversary. So obviously Civil War, North-South veterans, they would have reunions at Gettysburg, and this was the last reunion in 1938. $7.50. I think I had it up for $10, which is about the going rate. These aren't all that uncommon. Next, we have, this is Drawing Rations in Camp Manassas, Virginia. World War I era soldiers. And this sold for $29.99. And next one, large letter greetings from Providence, Rhode Island. Linen. 1943. $5.99 for that card. Next, this is Iron Mountain in Michigan. Dual view banner greetings, 1950, Stevenson Avenue. There's this, and that one for $5.99. This is Bedford, Stoystown, 7-mile stretch, Lincoln Highway, Route 30. Seems like I always find this one again in the quarter box or for cheap. Someone at one time tried to sell it for $8. I got $10.99 out of it. It's the Lincoln Highway. That's definitely a bolo. World War II era, 3 sailors in outdoor stadium, real photo. Not sure exactly where this location is. No clue. I would guess overseas somewhere. $7 for that. This is view of High Works Basin and east side of Holly. It's one of those, I can't remember the canal in Honesdale, Pennsylvania. I just can't quite remember. There's a canal and railroad system. I sell these all the time. Historical, so it's like a 1970s reprint of this earlier view, and got $5.75 for it. It's a really nice Easter fantasy. Dressed chicks, rabbits eating dinner, eggs. Just kind of cannibalistic, isn't it? It looks better in person. It's a really nice card. And sold for $17.99. Next, Dallas, Texas, President Kennedy's assassination site. Relisted this and bumped it up by 50 cents because the $1.99 ones were selling pretty regularly. So got an extra 50 cents out of this one and probably have about 20 of these left. This is Wiscasset. I'll get it right. Hooked on Phonics works for me. Castle Tucker, real photo, Labby's picture gift shop photo. So, the person who bought this, their last name was Tucker also, but they live in Texas, so I run into that every once in a while. People with a last name will collect postcards with that last name, like Miller would collect Miller's Hotel, Miller's Restaurant, stuff like that. $12.24 for this card, and I had one loan sale over on HIP, and this is New York Moonlight on Chautauqua Lake, map on back. So there's the front, and there's the map. Actually kind of a cool card, and it was published by Ketchum, or copyright by Ketchum, which I worked into the title, and that was $7.99. So eBay throttled me to the exact same amount as the other day, and I had one $8 sale on HIP, so $168 on a day, which is not bad. And I'm not including my sales from the other site with the airplane cards, which are selling, and I'll go over that in a couple weeks. Okay, let me know in the comments if eBay has throttled your sales to the exact amount as the day before, and let's get this conspiracy theory rolling. I got the proof. Okay, thanks for watching.